Welcome to the channel, guys. We're gonna do the evening walk. I'm gonna try to do 2 laps with this little hooligan right here, Miss Libby. Yeah, nothing like a walking video with a puppy dog. We're not going back in there. We're just gonna do a couple laps around the flat part of the land. Are you coming? See, this is why I don't like, I'm not gonna take them in the morning. They sniff and stop and sniff and stop. Yeah. Here we go, lap number 1. We'll probably be switching hands quite a bit. Come on, Lib. We don't need to sniff, we need to walk. Let's go. We got to train you right here. Yeah. Alright, we're going to do 2 laps. See how she's doing. She needs exercise too. But that dog's in great shape. What the heck was that? A rabbit scared the heck out of me. Yeah, we're gonna go visit the graves of brothers and sisters. Yeah. Alright, we'll give her some privacy. This is the evening walk. Brand new thing. Come on. Maybe Miss Tilly. Yeah, there's Miss Tilly. Come on, Tilly. You gonna join us? Let me switch hands. This one's like walking a rattlesnake sometimes. Come on. I would never get done if I had to walk a dog in the morning. And we're still going the opposite direction. Well, this is her favorite area. I don't know why she likes it. She likes coming up in here. A lot of sniffing. Yeah, come on. Let's go down this way, Miss Tilly and Miss. Look at that. Got a whole batch of babies right there. Miss Tilly, Miss Millie, Miss Libby. 3 smelly girls. This is the first time Miss Millie's joined us. Alright. Look how tall I am. Yeah. Come on. Gonna rename this Puppy Dog Trail. Look at this, I feel like the Pied Piper. I think Millie is scared of the camera. I know we all can't be, you know, comfortable with the camera. Miss Rooster doesn't like it either. Alright. There goes Miss Millie. She chased a dog off earlier that was coming up here. Boy, she's working out to be really good watchdog. Oh, Waldo's jealous. Alright, girl, let's go up this way. Come on, Millie. I'm glad you could join us. I am. Come on. Come on, come on, Lulu. Lulu passed away 5 years ago. Oh, you need to walk normal, girl. Come on, Tilly. Come on, Millie. Got a whole gaggle of dogs. You hush, Rooster. We're gonna do 2 laps. Can you handle it? Can you handle it, Libby? Gotta fix your leash. Okay. Well, walk. We're gonna walk the trail. Come on. Come on. Where's them other 2 stragglers? Where'd you go, Millie? Come on. And I see you bury that hot dog earlier. You don't think Millie's gonna find that? I do. Boy, there's no way I'm gonna do more than 2. She's wearing me out. Wants to pull on that leash. I don't know where Melly went. Killing me, Libby. Why do you gotta pull? Just walk with slack. There you go. That's one strong dog, too. Oh, sniffing. Come on, come on. Come on. You're gonna have to learn how to do the laps. Yeah, you are. There's your rabbit friend. This is where Bigfoot lives, Libby. Bigfoot, you in there? Bigfoot. There he is. I knew he was in there. Whew. All right. Here comes Tilly. Come on. Come on, just don't work. I don't know, 2 laps. What we're doing here is probably half a mile, if that. There's Miss Tilligan. All right. You know that branch is there and you walk into it every time. How come? Why do you do it? Look here. Why do you do it? Because you're goofy. Why are you flinching? I never hit you. What you doing, baby girl? Where did Millie take off to? You better not want to cross the street. Come on, Libby. You see me twisting like that because she switches and gets behind me. Alright. It's probably, I don't know, 5:30. Maybe not quite 5:30. We'll pull on. Got 2 laps, Melly, or Libby. There's Melly. What are you doing, Melly? She was probably looking for the hot dog that Miss Libby here buried. Alright, let's go off on this part. And we're putting you up for the night. And she knows that. As we get closer to the kennel, she starts resisting. Oh. Come on. I usually take her back in the trails, but I'm not going to do that when I'm filming. So she's all over the place. All right. We got them 2 little goons over there. You guys want to have a little union meeting? Come here. Come on, Tilly. Yeah, you know, Puppy Dogs Union of America, PDUA. Millie, you need to pay your dues. She's ignoring me. Are you non-union? What are you doing? Huh? Did you like your walk? We're gonna have to get you back in the doctor for your ears. Twice a year, I gotta take her in. She's got allergies. That's why them sores are on her ears, because she's always scratching. Where you going, Melly? Oh. All right, Libby, you about wore me out. Come on. Let's get you put up. You can get in your warm house. So when you ask why don't you walk the dogs, yeah, it's not easy to film and walk the dogs. All right, let's get you put up. Good girl. You know the drill. She's got a nice little kennel, and she's got a roof, insulated dog house there that I built, and then she's got her barrel. And unless it gets really, really cold, she likes her barrel. All right, there you go, baby girl. She knows the drill. Yeah. Good night. Yeah. Good girl. All right. We'll get you out in the morning. All right. All right, guys. That was just a short 2 laps. Appreciate you tuning in. I don't think I'll post the just stepped in dog poop. Ain't that great? Thought I had all that picked up. I'll probably post this maybe 1 or 2 days a week on the evenings. I don't know. We'll see. Because it's difficult walking that goofball. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy trails. Are you going to hang out? Let me get some warm hay for you, Tilly. Let's make you a place.